Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like saving money means giving up everything you love, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm sharing 10 frugal living hacks that will help you save money without feeling deprived. Let's dive in. First up, meal prepping. Spending just a couple of hours each week planning and prepping your meals can save you hundreds of dollars a month. Plus, it's healthier and more convenient than eating out or grabbing takeout. Why spend money on expensive cleaning supplies when you can make your own? A mix of vinegar, baking soda, and water can clean almost anything in your home. Bonus, it's eco-friendly too. Take a few minutes to review your subscriptions. Are you really using that gym membership or streaming service? Cutting out unused subscriptions can free up money for things you truly enjoy. Invest in quality items that last instead of constantly replacing cheap ones. This goes for everything from clothes to kitchen gadgets. It saves money in the long run and reduces waste. There are so many free or low-cost entertainment options out there. Check out free concerts and community events, or even explore a local park. Fun doesn't have to break the bank. Make your money work for you by using cashback apps or clipping digital coupons. These small savings add up over time. If you've got items lying around that you no longer use, sell them online. It's a great way to declutter and make extra cash. Be mindful of energy use. Switch to LED bulbs, unplug devices when not in use, and use a programmable thermostat. Little changes can lead to big savings. Thrift stores and online marketplaces are gold mines for finding high-quality items at a fraction of the cost. You'll be amazed at what you can score. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account every payday. Even small amounts add up over time and help you build a financial cushion. And there you have it, 10 simple frugal living hacks that will help you save money without sacrificing comfort or joy.